I've got the perfect home for you. 1497 Lily Cay Circle. It's beautiful and has everything. Come on, I'll show you. This home comes well appointed with a large solar array, 2 Tesla panels, impact doors and windows, and a beautiful pool with a swim jet system. It's everything you'd want in a modern home. If this beautifully well-appointed home fits your needs, it's only better in person. You should come and see it.